Good morning. Today, revision geometry. Model 2 in school book. School book. Model 2. First, choose the correct answer. Triangle has 3 axes of symmetry. Is scalene, isosceles, right, or equilateral triangle? First, we know isosceles triangle has 1 axis of symmetry. Scalene triangle, no 0 axis of symmetry. Equilateral triangle has 3 axes of symmetry. Choose what? Equilateral triangle. Number 2. Sum of lengths of two sides of triangle is not the length of third sides. We know theorem in any triangles. Sum of any side of triangle greater than length of third sides. EB plus BC greater than EC. EB plus EC greater than BC. EC plus BC greater than EB. Then sum of two sides of triangle, not the length of third sides, greater than length of third side. Question number 3. If the lengths of two sides of triangle, so triangle 8 and 4, then the length of third sides equal what? Any triangle isosceles. Two sides are equal. So 8 and 4. Third sides 8 or 4? 8. Why 8? Not 4? Because 8 plus 4, 12 greater than 8. 8 plus 8, 16 greater than 4. 8 plus 4, 12 greater than 8. If we write 4 and 4 and 8, 4 plus 4, 8 equal 8, not triangle. Then third sides equal 8 centimeter. Number 4. Triangle ABC, measure angle B equal 130. This meaning ABC is isosceles triangle. Measure angle B 130. Then EC longest side. We know that longest side opposite to greatest angle. Short side opposite to smallest angle. Then longest side is EC line segment. Question number 5. Triangle XYZ is an isosceles triangle in which measure angle X equal 100 degree. Then measure angle Y equal what? Triangle ABC XYZ. Measure angle X 100 degree. This triangle meaning YZ is base of triangle. Then measure angle Y equal measure angle Z. 180 minus 100 equal 80. Measure angle Y equal angle Z. Divide 2 equal 40. Measure angle Y 40 and Z equal 40 degree. Question number 6. X exterior angle and Y exterior angle. Measure angle X equal measure angle so A plus 100. And measure angle Y, measure angle B plus 100. Then measure angle X, measure angle Y equal X plus dot equal 80. Exterior angle equal A, 180 minus X and 180 minus dot. Then X plus Y equal 160 minus 80 equal what? 280. Any questions? Question number 2 complete. If the measure of an angle for an angle triangle is 45, then triangle is right. Measure angle of them is 45. Third angle equal 180 minus 90 plus 45 equal 45. Then triangle is a isosceles and isosceles triangle. Question number 2. The length of any side of triangle, not the sum of lengths of other sides. We know that sum of any two sides greater than third side. Then side smaller than or less than sum of other two sides. EB congruent XY. EB equal what? What's the meaning? What's the difference between congruent and equal? If we write equal, then EB equal XY. If we write congruent, EB line segment and XY line segment. Write congruent, write both line segment. Equal, not line segment. EB congruent XY, then write line segment. If equal, only EB equal XY. Question number 4. Triangle ABC, measure angle A 30 and B equal 90. BC equal half not dot AC. Triangle ABC, measure angle A 30 and B 90. Then BC equal dots AC. We know that in any triangles, length of side opposite angle 30, half length of hypotenuse. Then BC half AC. Number 5. The axis of symmetry of line segment is the straight line which not at its midpoint. Line segment to EB. Axis of symmetry bisect and perpendicular line segment. C is midpoint of AC. Then the axis of symmetry is perpendicular at midpoint. Midpoint by meaning bisect. Question number 5. 6 and في choose شرح تاني. For example, measure angle x equal 100. هنا 40 and 40. measure angle x equal what? 180 minus 40. 140. measure angle y 180 minus 40. 140. measure angle x بس measure angle y equal 180. Another example. measuring x equal 100, 30 and 50. Measuring x equal what? 180 minus 30, 150. Measuring y, 180 minus 50, 130. So x plus y, 130, 150. Equal what? Another same result, 180. Any questions? Choose or complete. Question number 3. A. Triangle ABC. EB equals 7 cm. BC 5 cm. EC equals 6 cm. Arrange its angles ascendingly. Due their measure. First, draw triangle ABC. Measure EB 7 cm. BC 5 cm. EC 6 cm. Then the greatest angle is opposite to the longest side. Measure angle C is the greatest angle. Then measure angle B. Then measure angle A. Why? Measure angle A opposite to shortest sides. Smallest angle, measure angle A. Then arrange the angles ascendingly. Measure angle A smaller than measure angle B smaller than measure angle C. Measure angle A smaller than B smaller than measure angle C. Any question? Question number 3B. Triangle ABC. Right at B. Measure angle C 30. D midpoint of C. Then BD is called A. Is called median. E midpoint of AC. Length of AC 9 cm. Find length of BD and BM and EB. First, since measure angle ABC equal 90. BD is a median. So what? So BD median half length of hypotenuse of AC. AC 9 cm. Then BD equal 4.5 cm. Measure angle C equals 30. So what? So EB opposite 30 half length of hypotenuse half AC. Then BD equal then EB equal 4.5 cm. BD is a median. and EE is a median. M is called what? With concurrence. Since M is point intersection of medians, then ratio between MB and MD to MD 1 to 2, MD 1, MB 2, BD 3. BD equal what? Equals 4.5 centimeter. So MB 2/3 from BD. BD equals 4.5 يبقى MB 2/3 times 4.5 equal 3 centimeter. So BD equals 4.5 centimeter. EB equal 4.5 centimeter and MEB equal 3 centimeter. Okay. Question 4A. In the opposite figure, measure angle EBC equal BDC. Measure angle E30, the midpoint of EC. Prove that EC equal BE. EC hypotenuse and BD is called the hypotenuse. Prove EC equal BE. In first triangle ABC, we have two sides. Measure angle ABC 90 and BD is a median. So BD median of EC, median of length of hypotenuse. The first required. Another triangle BDE. We have two given. Measure angle BDE 90. Measure angle E 30. So what? Side of the 30 half length of hypotenuse. BD half BE. Since measure angle BDE equal 90 and measure angle E equal 30, so BD half BE. Required number 2. From 1 or 2, BD half AC and BD half BE. So from 1 and 2, therefore BE equal EC. This is required in the proof. Okay. Any question? Question 4B. In of this figure, ED parallel BC. Measure angle BAC 70. Measure angle DEE equals 30. Proves that EC bigger than ED. EC opposite to angle B. EB opposite to angle C. So we need to know measure angle B is an angle B. يحيى عاوز number first 3B or 4A. يحيى عاوز 3B ولا 4A؟ 3A. triangle ABC EB 7 cm, BC 5 cm, AC 6 cm. Longest side opposite to greatest angle, then measure angle C is the measure greatest angle. Smallest side opposite to smallest angle, then measure angle A is the smallest angle. Measure angle B opposite 6, B in the middle. Measure angle A smallest angle عاوز ascending, smaller than angle B, smaller than angle C. Again, Question 4B. In opposite figure, ED parallel BC. So what? Measure angle DAC equal AC equal 30 alternate angles. Measure angle B equal what? Triangle ABC 180 minus 70 plus 30 equal 80. So measure angle B greater than angle C. Then AC longest from AB. AC opposite 80 and AB opposite to 30. We write proof. First, since AD parallel to BC, then measure angle DAC equal measure angle ACB equals 30. Alternate angles. Measure angle B equal 180 minus 70 plus 30 equal 80. Why? Triangle sum of interior angle equal 180. Since measure angle B greater than ACB, therefore AC opposite to B greater than EB opposite to C. Question 5A. If the measure of two angles of triangle are different, meaning what? Two angles not the same measure. Measure angle B or C. One of them greater than the other. Then the greatest in measure opposite to A, opposite to longest side in length. Measure angle B. If measure angle B greater than angle C, then EC bigger than EB. Then the greater in measure opposite to longest side in length. Question number 5B. In opposite figure, EXY parallel EB. EB bisect angle YAZ. So measure angle YAB equal ZEB equal in measure. Prove that XZ opposite to angle Y greater than YZ opposite to angle X. To prove XY, XZ bigger than YZ, we must prove measure angle Y greater than measure angle X. Measure angle X, YZ, all of Y greater than measure angle X. Required to prove. First, in the first given, EV parallel XY. So what? We have alternate angles and we have corresponding angles. Measure angle ZAB. Corresponding measure angle X. Measure angle X, measure angle A, measure angle Z. Measure angle ZAB, corresponding measure angle X. Corresponding angles. Measure angle ZAB equal measure angle X, Y, corresponding angles. Therefore, measure angle X equal measure angle ZAB, Y, corresponding angles. We have alternate angles. Measure angle BAY equal measure angle AYX. XY AB. Measure angle BAY equal AYX, Y, alternate angles. So measure angle Y greater than measure angle X because measure angle XYA plus AYB plus bar more than measure angle X. Measure angle X equal part of angle Y. Then all of Y bigger than measure of angle X. Triangle XYZ, triangle X equal part of measure angle Y. So measure angle all of Y bigger than measure angle X. Again. First, measure angle ZEB equal measure angle x. Corresponding angles. Measure angle BAY equal measure angle AYX. Alternate angles. So measure angle x equal AYX. Measure angle AYZ XYZ all of y bigger than measure angle x. So XZ opposite to measure angle y greater than ZY opposite angle x. Proof measure angle BAY equal measure angle AYX alternate angles. Since measure angle ZAB equal BAY in the given, BAY given, so measure of angle x equal measure of angle AYB AYX. So measure angle XYA plus AYB bigger than measure of angle x. Measure angle XA XYA plus AYB meaning measure of angle XYZ all of y measure bigger than measure angle x. So XZ bigger than YZ. Again, okay. We have some problems, very important problems. In the of these figures, ABC is quadrilateral, not equilateral. Quadrilateral meaning figure have 4 sides. AB 5 centimeter, BC 4 centimeter, CD 6 centimeter, ED 7 centimeter. Prove that measure angle ABC bigger EDC. First, we must draw triangle. Equality in a triangle, not in quadrilateral. We find triangle. Join EC or BD according to equality proof. ABC measure angle B, EBC measure angle D. Then join BD. Join BD is called construction. We write construction, join BD. Any triangle has different sides, then longest side opposite to greatest angle. Triangle أولاني ABD. Since what? ED bigger than EB. So measure angle ABD opposite angle to 7 greater than ADB opposite angle 5 centimeter. Then measure angle ABD bigger than ADB. Number 1. Another triangle BCD. CD bigger than BC. So what? Opposite 6 measure angle CBD greater than opposite 4 CDB. Then measure angle all of B bigger than all of D. Since BC bigger than BD, BC bigger than BC, so measure angle CBD greater than CDB. Question number 2. By adding 1 and 2, meaning measure ABD plus CBD bigger than ADB plus CDB. So measure of angle ABC bigger than ADC. Opposite greatest angle, opposite longest side. Another triangle, greatest angle, opposite longest side. Then measure of all B greater than of all of D. Again, It's okay. Another question. In opposite figure, measure B and the measure angle A equal 90 degree. Prove that if DC bigger than DA. In right angle triangle, we know that hypotenuse is longest side. Triangle AMC, MC is hypotenuse. So is greatest sides in triangle. Bigger than EC and bigger than MA. We prove that DC bigger than EB. We need DC and EB. So EC and BD not required to prove. Then MA, MC bigger than MA in first triangle. هذا triangle MBD. measure angle D 90. Then DBD hypotenuse longest side bigger than MB. Measure length of MC bigger MA and length of MD bigger than MB. So DC bigger than BE. Again, triangle. First triangle AMC. Measure angle A equal 90. So MC hypotenuse longest side. MC bigger than MA. MC is hypotenuse. Another triangle BMD. Measure angle B equal 90. So DM bigger than MB because MD is hypotenuse. By adding MC plus MD bigger than EM plus MB. So DC bigger than EB. فوق تاني اشرح تاني بسرعه كده. ترانجل ABD EC ED 7 bigger than EB. In triangles two sides different, longest inside, opposite greatest angle. ال ED 7 و EB 5 measure angle B bigger than angle D. هذا triangle DCB 4 و 6. ADC bigger than DBC, measure angle B bigger than angle D. By adding measure angle B, all ABD plus CDB plus بعض bigger than ADB و CDB bigger than ADC كلها. اوكي تمام يا احمد. Last question. Triangle ABC, measure angle A 6x, measure angle B 4x minus 9, measure angle C 3 bracket x minus 2. Arrange lengths of sides of triangle. We note that measure of angle A plus measure of angle B plus measure of angle C equal what? 180. Any triangles sum of interior angle equal 180 degree. So measure angle A 6x plus measure angle B 4x minus 9 plus measure angle C 3x minus 2 equal what? 180. First, distributive 3 2 bracket x minus 2 6x plus 4x minus 9 plus 3 times x 3x 3 times negative 2 negative 6 equal 180. Adding like terms 6x plus 4x 10x plus 3x 13x. Negative 9 minus 6 negative 15 equal what? 180. Equations of first degree. 15 go to positive. 15x 180 plus 15 195. So x equal what? 125 divided 13 equal what? 195 divided 15. Equal 15. So x equal 15. Meaning what? بيجي الانجل ايه؟ 6x 6 times 15 equal 90. بيجي الانجل B 4 times 15 minus 9 equal 51. بيجي الانجل C 3 open bracket 15 minus 2 equal 39. What's the greatest angle? بيجي الانجل BA then بيجي الانجل B then بيجي الانجل C. بيجي الانجل A bigger than B bigger than C. In the questions, arrange sides. Get sides is BC hypotenuse. So EC opposite to angle B. So EB opposite to angle C. Then the range of sides BC greater than EC greater than EB. Smallest sides is EB opposite 39 smallest angle. BC bigger than EC bigger than BC. Any questions? Any problem? Thank you. Goodbye.